Welcome to our programming channel. Today in C programming, we will see if the given number is even or odd. Even number is that number when divided by 2, remainder is 0. Odd number is that number when divided by 2, remainder is not 0 or remainder may be other number. So first we take header files, include studio.h, include conio.h. First we take integer variable number, enter a number, enter a number, scanf %d and no. If no divided by 2 is equal to 0, slash n given number %d is even number no. Else printf given number %d is odd number and variable no. Build run, enter a number. If we enter 7, given number 7 is odd number. If we enter 8, given number 8 is even number. In this program, we have used modulus or modulo operator. We will see the same program with ternary operator. When we use ternary operator, at that time there are 3 arguments. First argument is condition, second argument is expression 1, and third argument is expression 2. After condition there is question mark, and in between two expressions there is colon. If condition becomes true, then expression 1 will be executed, and if condition is false, then expression 2 will be executed. So here remove if, and after the condition give question mark and remove else from here and give colon here. Build the project, run the project, enter number 1. Given number 1 is odd number. Enter number. Given number 2 is even number. That's all for even odd number in C programming. Thanks for watching.